Well, the dry weather's moving back in. We had some decent rain to start May, kind of shrunk the short-term drought, but this is dry air from the northwest, and this is the only system of any significance, I would say, for the next week and a half or so. This is a cold front that will swing through on Saturday, and you notice there's a little snow behind it. Certainly no snow here, but it tells you it's got some colder air behind it, so we'll cool off for Mother's Day. But all the deep moisture for organized rainfall will stay south of here, so there's not going to be a lot of moisture feeding it, and eventually the heat will get turned back on. Notice the showers kind of riding up and around a developing ridge off to the west. We've already had a few fires in California. As the heat dome builds and we get an offshore flow, more fires develop in California, and that upper ridge with the heat will move eastward, and we're going to see a lot of 80s, even 90 eventually in this forecast. But in the meantime, it was a beautiful day today. It's going to be a cool night tonight. The south wind won't kick in until late, and it'll mainly be in our western counties. So I've lowered our overnight lows quite a bit tonight. There will be some fog in places with the calm conditions and moist ground, and certainly turning warmer tomorrow, warmer Saturday, a couple isolated thunder showers before the heat cranks up, especially as we get into the latter parts of the month. Tonight, upper 30s, Winamac, Logansport, Peru, Kokomo, 40 Frankfort, 41 at Monticello, though mid-40s Fowler. That south wind will kick in late, so a little warmer out in the western quarter of the viewing area. Boy, just wall-to-wall sun tomorrow, a good-looking day, kind of breezy, mid-70s to near 80, 77 Monticello, 75 Winamac, and a 76 at Burlington, 78 in West Lafayette and West Point, and 79 down towards Petersburg. And then continues to warm up. In fact, as we get into the weekend, 75 to about 80 degrees, 80 at Lafayette Saturday and 79 at Pine Village. So after the little dry pattern, at least for now, couple little thunder showers along the front on Saturday. Sunday, the latest data suggests that, we may have some showers down towards Indianapolis, maybe Westfield, Noblesville, Greencastle, and Rockville. But up here, I think it's mainly going to be dry. Just kind of a mix of sun and clouds, 68 kind of breezy, 69 Monday, but the warmth builds. In fact, big upper ridge encompassing the Midwest and eastern U.S. will really warm it up. 81 Wednesday, we'll be up to about 85 by Thursday. Turning a little stormy, though, later on in the month. Right now it's 69 here at the station, but it's 81 at Winnipeg, Manitoba. So there's a wall of warmth headed our way. That's why it's going to be 78 tomorrow and 80 on Saturday, and then upper 60s, a little cooler Sunday and Monday, and then another round of nice warmth as we get into later next week.
I plan on going to the zoo tomorrow, so that looks like a good temperature for that.
You like today, tomorrow will be even better.
All right.
Very good. Okay.
Even good enough for the penguins.